Today, we're unboxing the Antigravity A1 360 drone Infinity Bundle, one of the most innovative mini drones on the market. At only 249 grams, it's feather-light, travel-friendly, and compliant almost everywhere. This drone is built around a pair of precisely positioned top and bottom lenses, enabling 8K 360-degree video. The result, fully immersive footage where the drone itself becomes invisible. No propellers, no shadows, just clean, uninterrupted 360 capture. Because it shoots everything in every direction, your flight time becomes drastically more efficient. One take is all you need. No reshoots, no repositioning, no stress. And if you miss the moment, just rewind and reframe in post. Every angle is already there. Inside the bundle, we also have the A1 Smart Controller, which works seamlessly with two unique flight modes. There's FPV mode, where subtle wrist movements translate into precise directional control, and free motion mode, a world first by Antigravity. Simply point to fly. It's a completely new way to experience flight. And with the Vision goggles, you can share that experience. Hand them to a friend and let them enjoy the view while you stay in full control. The A1 is also smart where it matters. Its forward obstacle sensors, paired with dual fisheye lenses, give it 360-degree perception. It's always scanning, always aware, ensuring smooth, confident flight even for beginners. Plus, navigation assist keeps the forward orientation visible at all times, so you always know exactly where you're headed. With OmniLink 360 transmission, you get a full 360 live feed with ultra-low latency straight to your goggles, up to 10 kilometers under clear outdoor conditions. And with SkyGenie, you can activate advanced flight moves like arc shot, spiral ascent, and oval orbit with a single tap. Cinematic flying has never been easier. And that's the full unboxing of the Antigravity 360 Infinity Bundle and accessories. Ultra lightweight, incredibly smart, and capable of 8K 360 video without ever getting in its own shot, this drone is designed to redefine what's possible in a mini form factor. For more information, click the link below. Thank you for watching.